Hi, you're my partner today. Hi. So pretty. Where are we? Ikea. Ikea, Doha, Qatari. Stop that.
What's that?
I just take it. She gave it to me.
You need a bag, ah?
I don't know. Like this.
What is that for, Manda?
Kill you!
Oh, just kidding. I'm gonna put this on YouTube. No, I mean to. Okay, so guys, when someone finds me in my room with a yellow knife, to defend myself from you. That's Manda. To defend myself from you. This is the girl.
We're looking at placemats. Tubol? Do you know what tubol means?
You told me, and it's interesting.
Don't tell it to them. Manda, you're oily.
Touch up.
You're pretty again. Here's a mirror.
Beauty.
You want it?
325. No.
Just the light? When adulting is life, you need this in your room. Hang your wet clothes on. Look, Manda, maybe this one's cheaper.
I just did something normal.
100. Oh, that's the mirror. The light is 220. Gagawin niya tong background. It says here sa description, you can create an ambience of cozy light by pointing the lamp against a wall, painting, or something you care for a lot. So Manda, you can point this to me like this.
Self-centered.
This was scripted. Why didn't you laugh at my joke? We already did this. Oh my god. I'm hungry.
I'm tired.
Let's go.
That's a huge elevator. Okay.
Free Wi-Fi. What are we doing now? We're resting now for a bit. Waiting for Yanti and Tintin's reply because we don't know if we're going straight to Tofu House. That's a Korean restaurant, or if we go home and drop our food there, the one we shopped for today. Hi, Manda.
Hi. Forcing a smile. Stop.
So it's now 7:30, and we're going to a Korean restaurant to eat dinner. She's busy listening to music. Chicken bulgogi, beef bulgogi. Tapos na kami kumain. Pati yung lipstick ko kinain ko. You like your food?
Like,
Are you full now?
very.
Parang alien. Hindi niya ako naiintindihan. Naghihintay lang kami ng order ni Yanti kasi nagpa-uwi siya ng kimbap. And then, uwi na kami. Bigat na ng ikaw ko, besh. Alisin na kaya. Uwian naman na. In fairness, hindi ako nag-retouch today. No creasing sa mata. Nag-blot lang ako 2 times kasi oily ako. Pero hindi ako nag-powder. Nakabalik na kami sa apartment. So, tinali ko yung buhok ko kasi initan na ako. Yung eye makeup ko, in fairness, hindi siya gumalaw the whole day. Ayun, magtatanggal na ako ng makeup and ng lashes and I'll be right back. Kanina pa ako nag-iisip ng magandang outro. Bye na lang. Bye. Till my next video, subscribe, share, and like. Okay, bye.